ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respect. I welcome all the living, practicing Hindus. I welcome all the Sarvanya Pita Kartas, Yajamans, manifestors, Sarvabharityagis, Shri Mahans, Mahans, Kotari, Tanedar, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Paramashiva Ganas, Paramashivoham Season 8 participant. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Direct message from Paramashiva, from Kailasa. Listen. What is happening as on now in planet Earth is Pralaya. Not physical deluge as it used to happen earlier. It is not flood of water like tsunami or huge waves from ocean and ocean entering into the land. It's not flood of water, that kind of deluge. It is flood of consciousness. Understand? Due to this huge consciousness entering, because of the time for superconscious breakthrough, this conscious flood, all the delusion-based systems are just going to melt down. Understand? I'm repeating every statement. Because now it is time for superconscious breakthrough. Huge conscious flood is happening on the planet Earth, humanity. Due to this conscious flood, all the delusion-based systems are melting down. Understand? Human beings can't handle life without delusions, lies, false promises, hopes, false insecurities, false identities. But now, because the delusion is melting down, many of your false hopes are melting down. Many of your false security feeling is melting down. Many of your false hopes are melting down. Many of the social contracts between you and the society, you and the nation, you and the literally world you and the world is all melting down. Understand? When all your lies are forcibly removed from you, all your falsehoods are forcibly removed from you, all your hopes and false hopes are forcibly removed from you, when all your dreams are forcibly removed from you, when you are really made to see everything around you is melting down, you feel like literally you are melting down. That is what I am saying as pandemic fatigue. Pandemic fatigue is not just physical level. People are seeing in front of their eyes everything just melting down. Usually the world changes maybe 50 years. You always feel 50 years before world was like that. Now world is like, people who are around 60, 70, they only think kind of, wow, world was like that, now world is. But this time, whatever kind of a changes happen, good, bad, right, wrong, in 50 years, is happening in 50 days. Multiple things which you really thought are almost like eternal is just melting down. In my vision, I saw very clearly what is coming. Please understand. I wanted to put it on record once more in public satsang. I know this great pralaya is going to happen in 2020. From 2012, I started preparing people consciously to have a super conscious breakthrough, to see through this pralaya and help the humanity have a super conscious breakthrough. Unfortunately, humanity did not let me live. Neither human beings allowed me to live peacefully, nor they allowed me even to live. So I was forced to withdraw from humanity. But I tell you, I am absolutely committed to give super conscious breakthrough to humanity. Whoever is ready to listen to me, I am here to protect, save. Anyone who recognizes my identity, who recognizes me, I am here to save, protect you from this great pralaya and give you super conscious breakthrough. I am here to give super conscious breakthrough and protect anyone who recognizes my identity as Paramashiva. Whoever recognizes me, I am going to save all of them, protect all of them, give them super conscious breakthrough. I am very clear on my mission. Last from December 2012. I'm talking about it. I even announced this full 1 year I wanted to go for a Padayatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. If I was allowed to do that, I would have really helped the humanity, whatever way, small way I can. Unfortunately, not only I was not allowed to do Padayatra, I was not even allowed to live in the humanity. I'm forced to withdraw, but I will continue to do my work. Paramashiva instructed me to build this conscious ship to protect people from falling into pandemic fatigue, getting destroyed in this pralaya. I am here with a clear message to protect, save, give superconscious breakthrough to anyone who is interested in recognizing me and listening to my words. Listen, I will repeat now. To all my disciples, please add more and more Nirvikalpa Samadhi, unclutching. Enrich yourself with more and more Nirvikalpa Samadhi, unclutching. From morning till night, more and more unclutching. Actually, if you start unclutching, you will learn the art of joyfully, willfully thinking. Even when you think, thinking will not overpower you. You will be unclutched and thinking will happen as per your will and order. Add more and more unclutching inside your life and enrich as many people as possible and teach them unclutching. I tell you, every individual you teach unclutching now, you are going to save that person from pandemic fatigue, epidemic fatigue. You are going to save him from the mental breakdown, which is going to be inevitable otherwise. Understand? There are only spiritual solutions which is going to save people from this pandemic fatigue. Please understand. I'm not talking about pandemic itself now. Pandemic itself is not going to kill many people. Corona, COVID-19 itself is not going to kill too many people. I'm telling you. But pandemic fatigue is going to destroy many people's life. It will be much worse than death. Destruction is much worse than death. Half of the humanity's livelihood is going to be affected, and I think it's already started getting affected. Whole humanity's lifestyle is going to be affected by this pandemic fatigue. The after effects of corona, COVID-19, is going to be too much. Listen. That is why I am saying what is happening now is pralaya. The number of people it is going to kill, the COVID-19, the number of people it is going to kill may be less number, but the kind of people it is going to take away from us is going to be too much. And the kind of impact it is going to leave on humanity is going to be too much. I tell you, every individual who practices this unclutching will be saved from mental breakdown. So I request all my disciples, you practice and sincerely try to reach out every individual who will listen to you. Try. Don't even have the prejudice, he may not listen. Try as much as you can. Teach the science of unclutching. I am projecting the link for the discourses, methods of unclutching. Help every individual to unclutch. This meditation technique, I should say it's a more like alchemy process. Unclutching is the catalyst agent to put you in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Understand? I want all my disciples to understand the intensity and seriousness of this message. You will save people from mental breakdown, pandemic fatigue, suicide, getting destroyed just by teaching them simple unclutching. Don't even have the prejudice, oh, he may not listen, he doesn't like Swamiji, he doesn't like spirituality, he may not listen. No, that may be pre-corona period. Now, the corona has taught too many lessons to people. Try to reach out to everyone. Every individual you teach unclutching, who starts practicing unclutching, you are saving that person literally from this pralaya. I want to focus. And I request all of you, my disciples, please focus. Let's reach out to 100 million people all over the world and educate them to practice unclutching, Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Through this, we will stop people having mental breakdown, pandemic fatigue, collapsing, depression, destruction, and we will also give them superconscious breakthrough and revive the enlightened civilization. Understand? Unclutching, practicing completion, practicing oneness, practicing ajapa japa of Mahavagya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, consciously building deep feeling connection. Yoga, puja, vegetarian diet, nirahara samyama. Try to enrich people for every one of this great spiritual solution. It is time we all take the responsibility to save the humanity, to protect people from pandemic fatigue and protect people from destruction. I give you a few minutes. Open this link and start sharing with as many people as possible. The link is projected in the screen. It is free, open for all. Let's take few minutes now and share with as many people as possible. Let's save the world. Give them the experience of unclutching Nirvikalpa Samadhi initiation. Save people from pandemic fatigue, epidemic fatigue, destruction, and save people from delusion, Maya matrix. Help people to have superconscious breakthrough and sail through this pralaya.
Shiva 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 Shankaraya, Bam 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 Bholenatha. Shiva 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 Shankaraya, Bam 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 Bholenatha. मस्त मलंग दुनिया से मैं तंग होने को मगन पीता हूँ मदम, आजा मेरे संग भूलेगा तू गम, ले लेके चिलम बस खींच के दम। बोल बम बोल बम बोल बम बोल बम बोल बम बोल बम, लगा के दम। बोल बम बोल बम बोल बम बोल बम बोल बम बोल बम, लगा के दम। जय शिव शंकरा जय शिव शंकरा जय शिव शंकर हरि ओम। जय शिव शंकरा परमेश्वर जय शिव शंकर हरि ओम। जय शिव शंकरा जय शिव शंकरा जय शिव शंकर हरि ओम। जय शिव शंकरा परमेश्वर जय शिव शंकर हरि ओम। ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय। Party Prince baby, दिन रात बिना बंद पर चल रहूं सल, तेरा आशीर्वाद भोलेनाथ मेरे सर पर हर पल। तू ही साथ यहाँ मेरे साथ यहाँ कोई न सिवाय भोलेनाथ तेरे। दिन रात तेरा ही पुजारी भोलेनाथ मेरे, दिन रात तुझे याद करूं भोलेनाथ मेरे, दिन रात तुझे प्यार करूं भोलेनाथ मेरे, दिन रात यही आस करूं भोलेनाथ मेरे। बचा लो न मुझको तुम इस माया जाल से, होती तकलीफ मुझे दुनिया के हाल से, मिलती तसल्ली मनाली के माल से, दुनिया शुरू और खत्म महाकाल से। क्लिक क्लिक बुम बुम शंभू के प्यार में हुआ गुम गुम, जाने कैसी लगी ये धुन, शंभू के प्यार में हुआ गुम गुम। खोल कान और सुन सुन, शंभू के प्यार में हुआ गुम 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 गुम। क्लिक क्लिक बुम बुम शंभू के प्यार में हुआ गुम गुम। शंभो शंकर नमः शिवाय, गिरिजा शंकर नमः शिवाय। शंभो शंकर नमः शिवाय, गिरिजा शंकर नमः शिवाय। हो शिवाय भोलेनाथ। क्लिक क्लिक बुम बुम शंभू गगा
शंकरा शिवनागधारी महेश्वरा निर्मला शिव पावना कर्पूरी मन की भावना। शंकरा शिवनागधारी महेश्वरा निर्मला शिव पावना कर्पूरी मन की भावना। तेरी महिमा कैसे गाऊं, कैसे मैं तुझको रिझाऊं। ओढ़ कर मैं लिए चादर तेरे दर पे कैसे आऊं, कैसे आऊं, कैसे आऊं। तेरे गल सर्पों की माला पीता है तू विष का प्याला। भस्म का श्रृंगार भोले रूप तेरा है निराला। शंकरा शिवनागधारी महेश्वरा निर्मला शिव पावना कर्पूरी मन की भावना। कर दे कृपा लिख दे नाम मेरा तेरे भक्तों में। तुझ में ही है रसधार जीवन की, क्या लेना मुझे इन ताज तख्तों से। भोलेनाथ नाथ दे साथ साथ मैं तेरे बिन हूँ अनाथ नाथ। तू रख दे सर पे हाथ हाथ शिवा। भोलेनाथ नाथ दे साथ साथ मैं तेरे बिन हूँ अनाथ नाथ। तू रख दे सर पे हाथ हाथ शिवा। शंकरा शिवनागधारी महेश्वरा निर्मला शिव पावना कर्पूरी मन की भावना। कैलाशों पे डेरा मेरे मन में है अंधेरा। कर कृपा बाबा मैं पाऊं आज पावन दरस तेरा, दरस तेरा, दरस तेरा।
नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभो हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा। जटाकटाह संभ्रम प्रमन्निलिम्प निर्जरी विलोल वीच वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि। धगट 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 ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चंद्रशेखरे रति प्रतीक्षणं मम। कौन है वो कहाँ से वो आया। चारों दिशाओं में तेज सा वो छाया।
उसकी भुजाएं बदले कथाएं भागीरथी तेरी तरफ शिव जी चले, देख जरा ये विचित्र माया।
नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा। चंद्रमा ललाट पे भस्म है भुजाओं में, वस्त्र भाग छाल का है खड़ा पाँव में।
प्यास क्या हो तुझे, गंगा है तेरी जटाओं में, जटाओं में, जटाओं में। दूसरों के वास्ते तू सदैव है जिया, मांगा कुछ कभी नहीं, तूने सिर्फ है दिया।
समुद्र मंथन का था
So, with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.